In this video, I'll show you how to use Replit Agent 3 to build a full-stack app. First, sign into your Replit account and click Create REPL to start a new project. Once your workspace is ready, open Replit Agent 3 from the AI panel. Next, describe the application you want to build. Include the type of app, the features you need, the pages you want to create, and the technologies you'd like to use. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the generated project will be. After that, let Replit Agent 3 generate your full-stack application. It can create the frontend, backend, database integration, API routes, authentication, and other core features based on your request. Review the generated files and apply the suggested changes. Now, run the project and test the application. If you want to add new features, fix bugs, or improve the design, simply continue chatting with Replit Agent 3 and ask it to update your project. It will modify the code while keeping your existing work. Finally, once you're happy with the application, test all of the main features and deploy the project using Replit's built-in deployment tools so others can access your app online. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Replit Agent 3 to build a full-stack app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.